Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go over the question. According to the formula, P equals to 4 over 3 times K positive 81. If the value of P is increased by 16, by how much is the value of K? Okay, if the value of P is increased by 16, we have to find the increment in the value of K. Since we have to find how much the value of K increases, we have to solve for K in the given formula. Okay, let me write the given formula as it is. That is 4 over 3 times K positive 81 equals to P. Okay, here we have P on the left side in the given formula. I'm taking it on the right side. Okay, now I'm going to solve for K in this formula. So for that, first I have to subtract 81 from both sides. Then positive 81, negative 81 will cancel out. I get 4 over 3 times K equals to P negative 81. Okay, now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 over 4 to get rid of the fraction 4 over 3 multiplied by K. Because my aim is to solve for K. So I multiply both sides by 3/4. 3/4 times 4 over 3 K equals to 3/4 times P negative 81. So this 3 will cancel, 4 will cancel out. So I get K equals to 3 over 4 times P negative 81. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in P equals to 81. So here, you may have a question. So how can I decide that I have to plug in that P is equal to 81? Because if I plug in P equal to 81, 81 negative 81 will become 0, 0 times 3/4 will become 0. Finally, the value of K will become 0. Okay, in the next step, I'll increase this value of P by 16 so that easily I can find how much the value of K increases. Okay, now I'm going to plug in P is equal to 81 into this formula. So then I'll be getting what K is equal to 3/4 times 81 negative 81. So K equals to 3/4 times 81 negative 81 is 0. I get K equals to 0. So when P is equal to 81, the value of K is 0. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, according to the question, I have to increase the value of P by 16. That is, from this value 81 of P, I have to increase by 16. If I increase the value of 81 by 16, what is the new value? 81 positive 16, which will become 97. So now I'm going to plug in P is equal to 97 into this formula. Okay, so K equals to 3/4 times, when I plug in P is equal to 97, it will be 97 negative 81. So get K is equal to 3/4. 97 times 81 will become 16. 4 goes into 4. 1 times 4 goes into 16. 4 times. I get K equals to 3 times 4 is 12. So when I increase the value of P from 81 to 97, that is I increase the value of P by 16, the value of K increases from 0 to 12. So the increment is just 12. So the value of K increases by 12 when P is increased by 16.